Hello and welcome to my channel, The Gum Dentist. I'm your periodontist, Dr. Alan Wadamina. Alright, today we're going to be talking about what to do before dental surgery. This includes dental implants, maybe you're taking a tooth out or a couple teeth, any type of gum surgery. In fact, this advice applies to most surgeries you have in your mouth. Your dentist probably already talked to you on how to prepare for the surgery, but I'm going to share some of my tips that'll make the whole process a lot easier for you. So the last thing that you probably want to do right after surgery is go to the grocery store looking for what you can eat. So what I would highly recommend a few days before surgery is to go to the grocery store and buy some soft foods that you can eat in the first 5 days. Some recommendations that I have are mashed potatoes, yogurt, ice cream's real great, eggs, oatmeal, soft pastas, applesauce, anything with this type of texture are great recommendations. If you're gonna have a smoothie, then make sure that none of the fruit in it have any seeds because the seeds can get lodged right into the surgical site and slow healing down. Since you'll only be able to eat soft foods for the first 5 days and not have anything hard and crunchy for the first 2 weeks, what I highly recommend is for you to eat your favorite foods in the days prior to your surgery. Eat the things you're gonna miss the most. I myself am a big foodie, so I know I won't regret eating those favorite foods before surgery. This might sound obvious to you, but the night before, you really want to do something that'll help you relax, that'll calm your nerves, that'll help you sleep at night. So the better rest you get that night, the more relaxed you're gonna be during your surgery. And if you're easier to work on, well, guess what? You're gonna get the best results possible. So if a glass of wine helps you relax, or maybe some video games, a TV show, just listening to some music, meditation, again, whatever you normally do that helps you relax, that's what I would recommend the night before. The other thing you probably want to do is, if you want to bring some music or some headphones, maybe a stress ball to the appointment, you probably want to pack those things the night before so you don't forget them as you're leaving out the door the next morning. All right, let's talk about the day of surgery. So when you first wake up in the morning, you're gonna make sure that you have breakfast. That way you don't go to the dentist really hungry and therefore really hangry. Next, you're gonna take all your medications like you normally do, unless your dentist has instructed you otherwise. If you take any fish oils or any ginkgo, then please don't take those as those increase bleeding during surgery. You also want to make sure you brush your teeth and floss because if you want to get the best healing, you're going to make sure that your teeth are clean so that none of those bacteria are going to be infecting that area. If you have any jewelry or piercings, especially around the mouth, I'd leave those at home, including your valuables as well. If you have any children or dependents, it's much easier to go through surgery not having to worry about where your dependents or children are at, so you can be more relaxed during surgery. If you smoke cigarettes, then you'll probably hate me for saying this, but please don't smoke right before the surgery because that's just not great. It's creating an environment of poor healing in your mouth. And so the longer you can not smoke before the surgery, the better it's all gonna heal after surgery. So you'll thank me later, I promise. Some other really important things, don't forget your wallet. And make sure you do arrive on time. In fact, what I'd recommend is arriving a little bit early so that you can better mentally prepare yourself. Going into a surgery while you're really rushed is really tough for you and also really tough for the dentist. By arriving early, you ensure that the doctor has enough time to do their best work on you. The biggest tip I have during surgery, and if there's going to be one thing you're going to take out of this whole video, I want you to take this. You really need to trust your doctor. By trusting your doctor, you are allowing them to do their best work on you. If you trust your doctor, you'll be a lot more confident, a lot more at ease, a lot more relaxed. That way things will go a lot smoother. Every muscle in your whole face will be nice and relaxed. You'll be very easy to work with, and you'll get the best result possible. So if you're unsure of anything, make sure you do ask those questions. That way you can get them answered and it'll help put your mind at ease. Also, if you're uncomfortable at any time, all doctors will appreciate when you let them know, because if you need to go to the bathroom, it's much easier to just let you go to the bathroom for 2 minutes than to work on a fidgety patient. Also, sometimes we get a little tunnel vision when we're working on a single tooth. So if there is an instrument that's kind of poking you in an area or pulling you a little too hard, make sure you do let us know. We want to be as gentle as possible, and we want you coming out of the experience with the best experience as well. Okay, that's all I've got. Hopefully this video has really helped you out and it'll make your surgery day a big success. I'd love to hear from you though, so please leave in the comments below about what we as dentists can do to make your experience better. If you have sedation planned on your surgery day, make sure to watch the video right here. If you want to know more about what to expect after surgery, make sure you watch the video right here. If you like this video or learned something from it, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching.